Today I have budget tripod, an excellent for YouTubers and video maker. TPJ 3366. And what is your cost? Let's see all the feature reviews. Unbox. It has a tripod inside. It will slowly open. You will get black color box. Mobile mount holder. You can record video by putting your mobile. And mics, normal low quality mics. And this is a tripod. Mobile Bluetooth connector capture photo and video. Connect your Bluetooth and click and photo. Build quality so good. I feel that quality product. Really good quality. Metal body and top side plastic. No doubt, good quality. Seriously, no doubt. Full size review. Full size review. And the opening the tripod. And then clip out. Clip lock. Clip out, clip lock, and clip out, and clip lock, and then clip out. Open the clip. And full size. If you pan this tripod and final and full size. Maximum load 3 kgs and hook provided in the bottom. This is mobile mount holder and this is attached in the tripod. Alright. This is attached in the tripod. Attached. And the mount of this mobile. And the portrait mode is, and now that is portrait mode below, and now this is portrait mode to your shoot our video. Let's set up this. This is portrait mode of this mobile, and so this is our portrait mode and shoot your video, and this is a portrait mode. Alright, and this is pan of this area, cycle and the pan. So this is the bubble head green color part. See here, bubble that show in the middle. That means your tripod is absolutely middle to bubble and quite in the middle to take a balance and stable shots. Shoot our photo and videos ring here. So let's test the mic and the clip and 3.5mm jack. So clip attach your. It is mic for low quality, is absolutely low quality and short wire to your capture than audio and capture and video low quality, no use less mic. And now, and this is a tripod for your full review and unboxing. To this tripod of price now 880 rupees.